how to use TCI remote the professional way. First of all, use it in combination with QSO Note. So if I turn on QSO Note, this station here is Victor United for Victor Delta. You do a search. Okay. Now you can see the station's call sign and you can always find it back. If you cannot access the PTT here, you can PTT here. Yeah, QSL, Dragan. Yeah, your 5 and 9, 5 and 8, 5 and 9 is your report, Dragan. So please give me a signal report back to you. Over. So you can see here, there is a small icon. When I finish the search, there's a small icon here, which gives me the possibility now to make a video. So I click on video. Yeah, QSL, thank you very much for the nice report. Thank you very much. I will make a recording of your signal, Dragan. Can I send it to your email that is published on qrz.com? Can you allow me to send you the email? Over. So now it's going to record. I can collapse the QSO Note. I double click it. Okay. And now you see it's a small little window. Yeah, QSL, I will send you the recording right away, Dragan, no problem. What is your radio, what is your power? Go ahead, over. So, just to quickly let the station talk a little bit. I can push on stop or I can wait until it times out. So, if I would open up, you can see there is still 2 minutes left. Okay, when I collapse it. Okay. Yeah, QSL. Yeah, I'm actually talking to you remote. I am now connecting or talking to you in my smartphone and using the TCI remote app. Back in the shack, we have the Hermes light, about 450, 500 watts, and the 2-element cubicle quad QSL Dragan. Back to you, over. So now if I want to send the email, I click on stop or I wait until it times out. I click on email. Preferably Gmail is the easiest way because it's automatically configured and I can click the send button. Thank you very much, Dragan. The email is on its way and you can have a look on how you sound. 73s from Belgium. Bye-bye. So there you go. And I can save the contact. There you go. So you have always PTT available. This is Oscar, November 7, Oscar Fox QRZ. I'm not sure. I think it's Lima Yankee 1, November Charlie November. Do I have the call sign correct? Over. I can do a search. Okay. I worked this one before. You can upload your logbook very easily by going to log, and here you have upload, or you can download the ADIF. Yeah, QSL, Lima Yankee 1, November Delta November, Lima Yankee 1, November Delta November. 5 and 6 is your report, 56 is your report, Victor QSL. If you want to know what's the heading of the beam, it should be presented now. If I do a search. Yeah, QSL, this station here does not have any information on qrz.com. Thank you, Victor, for the QSO. I'll keep it short because many people are calling. Lima Yankee 1, November Delta November, from Oscar November 7, Oscar Fox 73, over.